Alright, so welcome back to Kicking It with Ken. Today's video is going to be a ride along. It's a 2018 Ford Mustang GT. It's one of my boys' car. His name is Kyle. I'm pretty sure I'll pop up his information. But I don't know of the specific mods at the moment. I'm pretty sure throughout the video he's going to explain about it, and I'm pretty sure I'll pop it up somewhere in the video. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned. We're posting every Sunday and Wednesday at 5 o'clock. And yeah, again, if you don't follow my social media, it's KenS197. Make sure to go on there all the time, because that's where I post all my behind the scenes. If I have questions on the video or anything regarding the video, that's where it gets posted at. I appreciate everything you guys have done. Appreciate the love you guys have been given. And stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Touchscreen right there in the middle too.
Like, what year is this again? 18.
2018. It's a badass car. Yeah, there was a bunch of differences when I drove the. I think it was a 2019 EcoBoost, and this interior was still better than it.
Really?
Yeah, it was better than the 2019.
Did it have leather or cloth?
Cloth seats. I don't remember if it was touchscreen or not, but I don't know. Everything just looks better in this one than what was in the EcoBoost.
If you want to know the truth, this is my second one of this exact car.
Yeah.
My first one I got it brand new, and I put like 200 miles on it.
Yeah.
And bro, it had the gnarliest lifter tick. Like, it was just.
No way.
I was like, damn, bro, I didn't even take this bitch back. So I took it back. And they had my car all pulled apart. Like, I showed up to the fucking Daytona dealership, and the whole front of the car is pulled apart. Like, the whole motor's pulled apart.
Fuck.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck? I'm not gonna
point,
take my brand new car that you already pulled apart. Like, yeah. I don't want anything to do with this. And it took him 2 weeks after the fact that I told him I didn't want that.
To get you this one.
Yeah, like, I was calling every day and raising hell. Like, yo, I'm not old enough to drive a fucking rental car. What the fuck? How am I supposed to get to work, bro? Like,
yeah.
What the fuck y'all about to do?
That's exactly why I got my ST, because of work.
No, exactly, bro. And I was using my mom's car, and then I'd have to rush home on lunch to grab my grandma's car. It was like, bro, like, what the fuck? I'm paying $500 a month for a car that's sitting in y'all's shop.
Yeah.
Like,
they should have cut the payments there. Right?
That's what I'm saying, bro. So I was like, man, fuck this. I don't even want the car. Like, y'all are good, bro. And then the GM called me and was like, hey, listen, come down to the dealership right now, and you can pick any other Mustang I have in my lot. Like, and I'll keep the payments the same. I'll keep everything the same. The price won't change.
Oh, way.
I was like, all right, I'm on my way.
It was the same color and everything?
Same color. I just got leather seats.
Oh, you came up.
It had the same big screen, but it had cloth seats.
Hell yeah, though.
Yeah, legit. This car was like fucking $8,000 more. I was like, all right.
No way. You came up on it.
Deadass. I was happy. When you first rode in it was a lot louder. I had to put an X plate. It still sounds pretty fucking loud.
This car is pushing.
It's really hard to say, bro. I really don't know. It's fucking, it's tuned by VMP. I got a quad air intake and exhaust and lowering springs and wheels. And I put tint on it. That's it. And a short cushion.
Yeah, I need to get tint on my car. I just haven't been too like focused on it, so I haven't got it done. But it's too hot, bro.
Yeah, I gotta get this shit.
Legit, bro. I found this guy on Facebook Marketplace, and I hit him up, and I was like, yo, how much you do my car? I want 5%. And he was like, $100. I was like, okay, say less, come to my house. 2 days later, I said, yo, my mom, my brother, my stepdad, we need 3 vehicles done. I can send you to somebody else, but I quit. I retired from it. And I was like, wait a fucking
Yo, he
second,
said
bro.
the GT was it. He was tired.
Yeah.
Remember I told you I got the T side windows and that's it?
Yeah.
I was gonna get my back and all that shit done. I texted him a week later and he's like, bro, I don't do it no more. I'm like, what do you mean? You did it a week ago. What are you talking
No,
about?
legit. I texted him 2 days after he did my car.
That's like one of these.
Yo, that's crazy. I need my shit tinted. Y'all got this nigga quitting.
Yeah. It doesn't stop going. It feels like.
Yeah.
Dude.
So what's up with your business?
What you want to know about it?
How long have you had the detailing business? What got you into wanting to do detailing?
So I've been detailing since I was 16 years old. It was my first full-time job. It's what I started doing. It's what I got good at. I started my detail business probably about 8 months ago now. It's still slow, still building clients.
That's how it goes in the beginning though, until it blows up.
I got a lot of goals for my business. I want to set up a shop. I want to get employees, and I don't want to work for it no more.
Yeah.
I got a pest control business that I've got handed down for me from my grandfather. That I truly want to take that off me even before my detail business. I want to get that going, get straight up.
Yeah.
And then whatever money, profit, and shit I can make from that, I want to return into the detail business and get that moving as well.
And what's the name of your businesses?
Scotty's Pest Control, and then I got Casey's Auto Details.
Casey's Auto Details and Scotty's Pest Control.
Fuck, of course it's a cop right there.
Oh, and we forgot to say, but we're not in Florida no more. We actually drove down to Mexico real quick, but yeah, kind of still looks all the same, but that's a green screen. So.
But the new version of Mexico, it's not regular Mexico. This is new.
It inspired me to do better, like grow my business.
Bro, I'm telling you, that's how you make it happen. When you detail, what do you really do? Like let's say a full detail. Explain what's a full detail to you.
So a full detail is a whole inside treatment.
Yeah.
Getting your seats right, getting any stain you got anywhere,
Yeah.
getting it out. And then the exterior, it really depends. Like I do full details where I do the exterior and I'll hit it with a polish so your car looks good, the paint's good, you got wax, you got everything going on with it.
Yeah.
Or I go up and beyond and do like what we were talking about, like a two-step, where I come in, I do like a paint correction to it, and then I come back around with a polish to give it that shine after, and that shit lasts a minute.
Oh yeah,
So I
bro.
gotta get done.
I've been getting good with, bro, it sounds crazy, but I did it to this new BMW. This nigga took a Brillo pad to its hood trying to get bugs off and fucked it all up.
No way.
But I got the touch-up paint for his car, like I ordered through BMW. It came in, and I went over there and I did touch-up paint onto it. I did it twice. I made sure they were all filled in, and then I wet sanded it. Those little spots, and I went back over it, and bro, it comes out fucking amazing. Fucking amazing, yeah. Appreciate it, bro. I appreciate y'all for what y'all are doing. Looking out for everybody.
No, for a fact. Like I told you, bro. I respect people that put in work and want to make a living.
That's what it's all about, bro. That's what this life's about, bro. Getting handed shit to you never fucking works. Because you don't know the worth of a dollar.
Yeah, bro, you gotta put that work in to get that. So as y'all seen,
What's going on, bros and hoes?
bros and hoes, welcome back.
Bros and bros.
It's currently fucking pouring. Welcome to Florida. But that was the ride along with my boy Kyle.
What's poppin', what's poppin'? We didn't crash the whip.
Yes, sir. We're still here in one
Still
piece.
here.
And that shit's a Mustang.
Fuck the Mustang myths.
Yeah, for real. That shit's a myth, bro. But my nigga, I appreciate it. Of
course,
for
bro. I
everything.
appreciate you.
Again.
Hey, keep doing y'all's thing, bro.
Yes,
keep
sir.
doing y'all's thing. Y'all about
All
to
his
make
stuff is gonna be in the
Hey.
link in the bio.
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
we gotta pop up the cards. Well, I'm gonna bring it up right now. My boy has 2 businesses, not 1. 2. We're gonna show a better picture when we get to this
Yes,
nigga's
sir.
house, but
I'm gonna pop him
hey,
up.
definitely
Yes,
gotta check
sir.
him out. He has detailing
sir.
business and a pest control business, so fix them dirty ass houses.
Get your cars clean and your bugs gone.
Yes, sir.